Hello, what's up guys? Welcome here. It's Bravo Canadian and welcome to, as you can see, Dream League 2016. Dream League Soccer 2016. It's not Bravo Canadian, it's Control Madness. My football team is Huddersfield. Let's see. So I'll be doing that. Back to the keeper. And I'm passing. It's hard. It's shot is going to be really hard to take because it's sticking on my tablet. And I'm playing Paris. Playing Paris. And it's one goal.